Hello friends. PCOD, otherwise called as polycystic ovarian disorder, is something which has become very common among women of reproductive age these days. So it is basically a hormonal disorder. How it is caused is not very well known, but there are few things which have been said to cause PCOD. One is high levels of insulin and probably an increased amount of inflammation in the body. And the third thing is there could be a hereditary aspect to it also. So what are the symptoms of PCOD? First thing is you will have an irregular or sometimes even an absent menstrual period. Second thing is you might exhibit more amounts of facial hair and bodily hair, and sometimes you can also have male pattern baldness and severe acne on the face and other parts of the body. So these are the symptoms of PCOD. Now, why is it important to treat PCOD? What are the complications that this might lead to? First thing is you could suffer from infertility. Second thing is, even if you conceive, there is a very high risk of having a miscarriage or a premature delivery. Third thing, and a very important thing, is that you could develop what is known as a metabolic syndrome. Now, metabolic syndrome consists of three things: high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and high cholesterol. Now, I don't need to tell you what the complications related to these three very common conditions are. So most of you must be aware that high blood pressure is not a very good thing. So is high cholesterol and high blood sugar. Now these are the complications that PCOD can cause. Now how can you treat this? You should be under the care of your healthcare practitioner. And the first thing that your healthcare practitioner will do is to put you on a few tests to diagnose whether you actually have PCOD. Second thing is they will put you on certain medications. So the first group of medications might help you to regularize your menstrual period. Second group of medications might help you with your infertility issues. And third group of medications will help you deal with your hormonal problems, which will help you deal with your facial hair and your acne problems. So these are all medications which will help you stabilize the hormones which are out of whack in your body. So these are the treatments as far as medication is concerned. But the most important way to treat PCOD is to make lifestyle changes. So if you are obese or if you gain too much weight, the severity of PCOD has been shown to increase. Whereas if you even reduce your body weight by about 5% of your body weight, the symptoms and the severity of PCOD is always reduced. And second thing is the way your medications act on your body will be more effective even if you lose 5% of your body weight. So what do you need to do? First thing is check your diet. So when you look into your diet, the first thing you need to avoid is all kinds of packaged and processed foods. So try to avoid anything that is coming out of a packet or a package. Try to stick to home cooked meals, incorporating lots of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and lot of legumes like channa, rajma, moong dal, etc. So these kind of diet changes have to be made. Second thing is always when you pick carbohydrates, okay, because PCOD is a condition which is definitely associated with some amount of insulin resistance. So you have to pick your carbohydrates wisely. Instead of picking high sugar laden foods, try to pick carbohydrates which are complex in nature. So by complex carbohydrates, I mean carbohydrates which have a lot of fiber in them. So when you pick your grains, go in for hand pounded rice, unpolished rice, millets, etc. And the third thing is for you to always be active. So do some amount of exercise which will help to reduce your insulin resistance, which will thereby help you to control your PCOD. So the main thing to understand here is that the most important thing of lifestyle change is in your hands. your doctor will put you on certain medications that will help you to treat the or balance out the hormonal conditions in your body. But the most important thing, the lifestyle changes, is definitely in your hands. So stick to a low calorie diet by incorporating the right carbohydrates in your diet, by picking fresh fruits, vegetables and whole grains in your diet. Second thing is to always engage in moderate intensity activity so that your insulin resistance can be brought down. So if you incorporate these few changes by putting yourself on a low calorie diet and a moderate physical activity, the intensity of your PCOD can be reduced and the effect of the medications will be much better on your body. Thank you, friends.